Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for our sixth grade. And the class for today is going to be about listening. And we're going to review a little bit about the grammar before we make the project. Well, number one is to say that it's mandatory to write, the class today. So don't forget, today it's July 16th. So you need to write, and the class for today is listening class, and page is gonna be page 75. Okay, so let's start the class today. Welcome to Teacher Jacob class. Remember, the best way for learning English is just to practice. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. Let's have the class for today. And today, we are going to do the page 70. Hold on. Is this? We're gonna do page 75. So don't forget, it's mandatory to write in this part, in this area. So you can write the day, July 16, 2020. Yes. And today we're going to try to do this kind of exercises, but definitely what we're going to do is, this is not a page, it's page 60. Yeah, it's this. This is the page. So we're gonna do these 3, 4, 5 exercises, but definitely what we're gonna do is the exercise of listening. So you're going to listen and write a corresponding month. I mean, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and so on. Well, before we start this class, I want is you listen to me and try to repeat, okay? For example, remember the family. You have grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, uncle, and yes, brother, sister, niece, nephew, cousin. Okay? Remember, family in this unit is very important that you understand family. All right? Your mother, your father, your grandmother, your grandfather, your uncle, your aunt, your brother, your sister, your friend, your cousin, your nephew, your niece. Okay, there are more members of the family, but I just wanted this. After that, remember, it's necessary you learn also the month of the year. So, I mean, you have to say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay? So, month of the year are going to be very important for this unit. So according to this, let's complete this page. It is about like a review. Review the whole unit. Activity 1, remember apostrophe S. The last class, it was about grammar class. So you need to write here, for example, brother is my uncle. So if you write here, one member of the family, for example, in this case, you write my mother's brother. My mother's brother is my uncle. You see? So you need to write the names of the members of the family, and then you can understand, then you can write what is the possessive. I mean, the other way to indicate that it is going to be possessive adjectives or possessive pronouns. So you see, my father is, say, my father is my grandfather. So father of my grandmother, my grandfather, or father of my father is. So you're gonna write here to father. It's possible. So my father's father is my grandfather, or my mother's father is my grandfather. Both are the same. So you can write both, one, mother or father. Okay. After that, now let's see. My cousins, remember apostrophe S. My cousin's mother is my aunt. My cousin's mother is my aunt. Okay, good. Um, the the here and this the grand my grandfather or my grandmother. Remember apostrophe. My grandfather's daughter is my mother. My granddaughter, okay, my grandmother's daughter is my mother. You remember that is very important. And here, number E, my uncle's son is my cousin. Okay, so this is because you need to talk about your family. Now let's go to the activity 2. Activity 2, it's about demonstratives. Remember, when you have in your hands, this is or that is. When you can't, you point to, you say that is, so you say that is and indicates what it is. So remember, this is to indicate that you can touch, singular. That is when is point to is far and is singular. This is plural and those is plural. So activity number 1. So they are very close, so you can touch this. So you're gonna write this. You're gonna write here, this is my cousin Maria. Okay. Now, notice that she is point to, señalar. She's point to the boy. It's not close, it's far. So you say, that is John. He is my cousin too. So this and here, this here, and that you write here. So now remember, is a singular and are is plural. So you're gonna write plural, this or this. So they are together, so they can touch. So that's why you say, these are my parents, because you can touch. And D is the opposite, so you're gonna write those, because they are separate. They're of a little far. They are behind her. So those are my uncles Sam and Tom. All right. So that's what I want you pay attention. All right. Now you have to describe the characteristics of the people. So you're gonna write Maria, and what else? He has, according to the pictures. Okay, don't forget that she has something like that. All right. Um, let's go now. Let's go to. All right, so this is describing the people in activity 2. This, you're going to write the characteristics of the pictures. Here, B could be, you go to this is the picture B. So you're gonna write This is remember B. B. This is Johnny. He's my cousin. So my cousin. So Johnny. So you're going to describe Johnny has. What else? Johnny has short red hair, for example. Okay. Now, let's go to the listening part because this is very simple. So, notice this. Listen and write the corresponding month. So, you're going to listen and then you're going to write the month. Okay? Jamie or Jamie. Jamie, hi, my name is Jamie. I have two sisters, Jean and Karen. Birthdays are important in my family. We always have a party and give presents. My birthday is in March. So, Jamie, remember, Jamie or Jamie. My birthday is in March. My dad's birthday is in March too. My birthday, dad is similar to say father. My father's birthday is in March too. So we celebrate together. My sister Jean has her birthday in June. My mom birthday is in November. My mother's birthday is in November. I feel sorry for my sister Karen. Her birthday is in December. All right, listen. I feel sorry for my sister Karen. Her birthday is in December 25th, Christmas Day. All right. According to this listening, you are going to write here the month. So number one here, you need to write March, and that you're gonna write March too. Okay. Now the rest you're going to listen. You listen, repeat, and listen and copy here the month of the year. Okay. And according to this, you're going to write the answers too. For example, Jean, in this case, Jean, her birthday is in June. All right, so be careful, June. So you need to write here June. Now, next class that we have, I need you to answer this question. So you are going to write here. Tell a friend about the birthday dates of people in your family. So in this moment, it's necessary you say my mother's birthday is in March. My father's birthday is in April. My birthday is in August. Whatever. Okay. Necessary to say the birthday. Okay, and finally, we need to discuss ask this questions. Okay, so who are you? So let me see this. We all have a last name. Your last name is your family name or surname. In some countries, people have two last names, one of their father and one for their mother. In English-speaking countries, children normally have only their father's last name. Last names sometimes give information about family's story. Some last names tell where family is from. The last names Brandy and Kelly, for example, are very common in Ireland. Some families show their identity in other ways. Noble families often have family emblem. In Scotland, people with the same last name are members of a clan. They wear the clan colors where they attend to traditional events. Okay, so bye bye. You answered this question. Don't forget to answer this question.